Hello, today I wan welcome una to another edition, another episode of In Pidgin. My name na still Hope as in Charles 07. Today we wan talk about fair hearing because some of una no believe in fair hearing because no be una dey involved. Some kind trending issue if e just happen go make dem send am go jail straight. Wetin dem dey wait for? Make court as they just carry am go court, make court send am go jail. E no dey work like that because even an accused person get the right to section 36 sub 1 wey talk about fair hearing within a reasonable time by a court. Court must give everybody fair hearing. This principle of fair hearing first, those of una wey be Christians, this principle of fair hearing e dey for Bible too, because even when Adam commit, God still give am. God ask am say why? Na that why be the fair hearing. Na God ask am say why you do wetin I say make you no do. Even though Adam excuse no strong, Adam say na the woman wey you give me make me go do am. Allow them. Court go allow you, no matter how how your excuse dey, court go allow you talk that excuse. So that is some of una go say matter dey tey. Once court don hear your own story, you no go wan make court hear the other person's story. Court fit use 1 year hear your own story, use 3 years hear the other person's story. All na still fair hearing. It depend on how the person story long and how your own story short. And for this principle of this fair hearing now, you think get principle. As e dey like this, you wey be person, you no fit be judge for your own matter. You no go fit. That is why even when matter even come where judge dey, if the judge get interest, if the judge na my papa and na me get the matter, judge go decline jurisdiction. Court go say, the judge go say no fit hear this matter, make dem carry am go another court. Because you no fit be judge for your own matter. Sentiment fit enter. Say na my daughter be this, so man no send am go jail, or man no knack am 100 million naira damages. You follow for the fair hearing. Another one be say you go hear the other side. Some of una, if una talk, una no go make another person talk. God must hear two of una. If you like, make dem catch the person, like dem catch am video dey where im dey do the thing. As far as saying no plead, saying dey guilty, if him say no dey guilty, even though you commit that thing for that judge front, judge go still give you opportunity. He go give you that chance, make you talk your own side of the story. Na him be the fair hearing. Some of una no dey gree. Hey, as dem catch am, make dem just send am go prison. Some people go say, that boy wey do that thing, no, make dem just send am go prison. No be so e dey be, because the way e dey see am, e fit no be as e be. That is why everybody dey entitled to fair hearing. You wey dey watch my video, when you watch, dey share am. No dey, if you dey keep am to yourself, just show say you dey stingy with knowledge. If me, I no dey stingy with knowledge, why you go dey stingy with knowledge? When you watch my video, dey share am. Thank you. God bless you.